Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Vanguard account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and make sure your internet connection is stable. Type Vanguard.com in the address bar and press enter to go to the official Vanguard website. Check that the web address starts with HTTPS and shows a lock icon to confirm it is secure. On the Vanguard homepage, find the login button near the top of the page. Click or tap Login to open the sign-in page. Choose the correct login option if you see choices like personal investors or workplace plans. Click or tap the username field to place your cursor there. Type your Vanguard username carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase if applicable. Click or tap the password field. Type your password slowly and accurately, and verify that caps lock is off. If you are on a private device, you may check the option to remember your username if you prefer. If you are on a shared or public device, do not save your login information. Click or tap the login or sign-in button to submit your credentials. Wait a moment while Vanguard verifies your information. If you are prompted for two-factor authentication, select how you want to receive the code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears, then submit it. If you are asked to answer a security question, type the answer and continue. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and complete the identity checks. When resetting credentials, use a strong new password that you do not reuse on other sites. After a successful login, confirm you see your account dashboard with your name or profile icon. Navigate to your accounts by selecting Holdings, Balances, or Accounts depending on the menu layout. If you are using the Vanguard mobile app, open the app and tap Login. Enter the same username and password in the app and complete any verification steps. Enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint only if your device is secured with a passcode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try a different browser or device. If you receive an error message, double-check your username and password and try again once. If you are still locked out, contact Vanguard customer support using the official website contact page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.